Hello students, now we are going to discuss chapter number 5, that is magnetism and matter. This is lecture 1, and now under lecture 1 we will discuss these points. First point is current loop as a magnetic dipole. Like electric dipole, current loop also behaves like magnetic dipole. Okay, let us discuss it in detail. Let us suppose this is the loop. This is the loop, and current is moving in this direction. This is the loop, and it will also have an axis. This is the axis, and this is the center. Let us suppose the radius of this coil or this loop is A. Okay, we know that if this is the point, and on the axis of the loop, magnetic field B is equals to mu naught by 2 Ni A square upon x square, where x is the distance of that point from the center of the loop, x square plus. Okay, you can also choose this is R, no problem. If this is R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. Okay, if R is very greater than A, means this point is far away from the center of the coil, and radius of that coil is very smaller than the distance of that point from the center of the loop. Okay, now B is equals to mu naught upon 2. The formula will become this R square, and this is what? This is as compared to this, as compared to A, R is very larger than A, then A square can be neglected. Okay, and now R square to the power 3 by 2. R square to the power 3 by 2 power will be multiplied. 2 to cancel means R to the power 3. Ni A square upon R to the power 3. Okay, if you can put here pi A square. Why pi A square? Because pi A square will become area of the loop. Pi A square will become area of that loop, and we also divide by pi and R cube. This pi can be written here. Okay, means 2 mu naught by 2 pi Ni pi A square. Pi A square will become area of the loop. Now here mu naught by 4 pi, divide by 2 and multiplied by 2. 4 pi, okay, 2 times Ni A, area, and R cube. This is the magnetic field. Okay, we know that electric field on the axis is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p upon R cube. This is the formula for electric field on the axial point, and this is formula of magnetic field on the axial point of the loop. This is for dipole and this is for loop. And we know that mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi is a constant for magnetic field, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant for electric field or electrical force. Okay, if you compare these two, mu naught by 4 pi is analogous to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is R cube, this is R cube, means magnetic field is inversely proportional to the R to the power 3, and electric field is also inversely proportional to the R to the power 3. Okay, here if you compare, if you see here, it is a P, means electric dipole moment, And here NIA, here NIA we will name is like electric dipole moment. We will name it this portion NIA. It will be magnetic moment. Magnetic moment here, magnetic dipole moment. Okay, magnetic dipole moment, it is denoted by small m. Magnetic dipole moment, this is electric dipole moment. Okay, we can write here m is equals to NIA. Magnetic dipole moment is equals to the net current, where is Ni. If the number of turns is 1, then m will become Ia. Means magnetic dipole moment is equals to the product of total current and area of that loop. Okay, area of that loop. We also know that area of this, if this is the surface, area vector will be upside. In vector form we can write magnetic moment, because magnetic moment is also a vector quantity, that is Ni area vector. Okay, also you can write MNIA into unit vector, like that. M will be equals to NIA, magnitude of area vector, into area vector, normal area vector. Okay, hope you are getting. Now we will discuss magnetic dipole moment. This is magnetic dipole moment. Next point, that is unit or dimension of magnetic dipole moment. From the formula it is clear that this is a number, this is current, and this is area. Means unit of magnetic moment will be ampere. Area is what? Meter square. Means ampere meter square. This is the unit of the magnetic dipole moment. Now let us discuss dimension of magnetic dipole moment. Dimension of magnetic dipole moment is equals to dimension of current and dimension of area. You all know that dimension of current is A, because n is a number. Okay, dimension of I is A, and dimension of area is what? L square. Means dimension will be AL square. In standard form you can write M0 L square T0 A. This is the dimension of magnetic dipole moment. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.